Good morning, happy homeowners. Over here, I don't even think it's 7 o'clock yet, probably like 6:45 or something. Back over here in Altadena, second day on this beautiful Douglas fir hardwood floor. Let's go inside, see what they got done. Trying to beat the rain over here. Woo! Crazy difference, crazy difference. Makes everything look so much bigger. Man, what a difference. It is a beautiful wood. I wanted to do the invisible, which means it would have stayed looking just like this. I think that was going to be too light for them. So we're just going to do the clear, which will darken it up just a couple of shades. All right, guys, any questions, leave them in the comments. If you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, reach out to us. Have a great day.